Hello and welcome to the Jones Media Center tutorial for the Manfrotto Befree Fluid tripod. When you first take the tripod out of its carrying bag, it looks like this. To transform the tripod to its proper setup for filming, you must first lower each of the 3 legs until you hear 3 clicks. Lower the shaft of the tripod. Loosen the bottom ring on the shaft by twisting it counterclockwise. The shaft should naturally fall until the tripod head is flush with the bottom ring. Then, tighten the bottom ring by twisting it clockwise. To attach your camera to the tripod, loosen the small knob on the left side of the camera plate, then press down on the small button and slide the plate backward until it releases from the tripod head. Now attach the plate to your camera by screwing the plate onto the bottom of your camera. Once the plate is securely attached, slide the plate back onto the tripod head from the back. To lock the camera, tighten the small knob on the left side of the camera plate. To tilt the tripod, loosen the larger knob and lift the arm of the tripod up and/or down to accomplish the desired tilt effect. To pan the tripod, loosen the smaller knob on the left side of the tripod head. Push the arm of the tripod counterclockwise and/or clockwise to accomplish the desired pan effect. To lock the head in place again, tighten the same small knob by twisting it clockwise. Once finished, remove the camera plate and return it to the tripod head. To transform the tripod so it can fit back in its carrying bag, first, loosen the bottom ring on the shaft by twisting it counterclockwise and raise the shaft all the way up. Fix the shaft in this position by tightening the bottom ring by twisting it clockwise. Then ensure that the head of the tripod is tilted all the way back. To fold each of the tripod legs back up, first push down on one leg and pull down on the silver switch at the top of the leg. Without releasing the silver switch, swing the tripod leg all the way up until it is somewhat parallel with the tripod shaft. Repeat this process with the other 2 legs. In the end, your tripod should look like this and easily fit back into its carrying bag. For more information, or if you are having any difficulty, please contact a Jones staff member, and we would be happy to assist you.